So today we're going to start our new project based on designing chocolate bar or sweets wrapper design. You're going to eventually come up with your own brand name, etc. But your starting point is you should have got yourself a sweet or a little tiny chocolate by now, and a piece of A5 paper or your sketchbook, and runner's page in your sketchbook, and a soft pencil. Just a reminder about your ranges of pencils. You've got your Bs, which are the ones that you really want to be sketching with because they're black and soft. The range of pencils here allows sort of about a range of 6 different tones, ranging from your 2B, from your B to your 3B, 4B, 5B and your 6B. Now remember, as the numbers increase, the lead gets softer and you'll be able to get a darker tone. Now I'm just going to use a 6B pencil, and there are those available in school for you to borrow if you need to. You can use your normal HB if you want, that's fine, but make sure you haven't got your propelling pencil. Now you need to make sure that you start off in the centre of your page so that you can fit on whatever you're looking at and whatever you're drawing from either side from the centre. So it's really important that for most drawings you start really in the middle of your page. Now I'm going to start off drawing sort of my outline first, trying all the time to make that look so that it's 3-dimensional. And with the bubble sweet, it's got quite a nice sort of shape and little sort of twists and things to it that way as well. Now make sure that your outline is quite faint. With this 6B pencil, the lead inside is going to be quite hard and soft, so the outline might be quite hard, so just press on really lightly. Now once you've got a vague outline, try and get it quite large so it's filling the page. You can show off your tone later on. I'm then going to start sort of putting in a little bit more detail, so giving myself little guidelines of where the lettering's going to go. So for example, the bubble lettering's going to go round about there, so I'm going to put in some little very faint guidelines. I'm then going to start drawing in lettering, working from the centre letter, so I'm going to put the little B in there, and then add in the next letter to it, and the next one, the U to the side there, so that I make sure I fit in all the lettering in the space that I want the lettering to be in, because if I started at this end I might squash it all in and not fit it all in the space that I want it to fit. So always start with your lettering in the centre and work your way out, put letter either side like I've done there. And again, it's a typeface. You've had a designer, an artist has spent a lot of time designing, sat in their art studio, designing these lettering. So don't just write it in your own words. Make sure you've got the actual shapes of those lettering there. And then again, I'll start to put in my B's, but I'll start with this one here so I can fit it all in. Put that B there, that little B here, that there, my little Y going in, and then my larger little U coming there, and then my little B coming on sort of about there. Then you can start to put your tone in. I always start with a darker tone going to lighter. So for instance, looking at here, there's quite a dark tone that I can see happening. So I'll start very carefully using the side of my pencil. Okay, getting it nice and smooth, going in a horizontal direction if we're in maths, and then going up and down vertically to get it a really nice tone going on. And then I'd start to maybe get a little bit lighter as I can see the tone lightening up as it's coming down into sort of that area here, and then getting on just a little bit of tone here like that. Now I'm not going to video the whole of me finishing this off because obviously I want you guys to get on with your work and you start to develop your drawings and start to work in using all your tone and things like that that you've learnt about this year into your sort of sweet drawing there.